Hello, I'm Maddie, and the artist that I chose to emulate is Rosenthal, specifically his piece called Found in Nature. Um, I'm an environmental science major, and I care a lot about the environment and the human's relationship with it and our impacts on it. And I got really drawn to photography because I want to be able to creatively showcase the environmental issues that I care about in a way that people can see visually and really interact with. So what drew me to this artist is the fact that his subject matter is trash that he found all along the east coast of the United States, and that the subject is really looking at these types of trash and that end up on beaches and in waterways due to anthropogenic sources, and he does this in a creative way to showcase certain elements such as alcoholism or consumerism and human impacts on the environment. Some of the photographic language that he uses to communicate is a narrow focal length. It creates a really intimate and up close feel to the subject. He uses a variety of shapes, colors, sizes, patterns, all different kinds of things. He uses only a solid white or solid black background. Black kind of creates like a void space. Both kind of create a void space. He uses a medium depth of field, and he usually looks from a bird's eye view, sometimes at an angled kind of bird's eye view, and it makes items look like they are in an ascending order from front to back, but up and down the image. The conclusion about the world that I think he's trying to come to in my interpretation is about he's trying to showcase dirtiness, dependency, alcoholism, consumerism, loss. Some of the things that come to the mind. A lot of the items are reusable or could have been, and now they are no longer, but they're unforgotten or unwanted things, but they're forever existing in the environment still. A few of the images touch or are of substance abuse items like alcohol bottles or cans or pharmaceutical containers, needles, cigarettes, filters, things like that. A lot of the bottles and items have no labels and are empty, possibly to show that alcoholism is it doesn't affect a certain kind of person, but anybody really, and people who are attracted to those items are maybe empty or missing something or feel like they need that crutch because of that emptiness or that lacking, and use these items to fill a void or to escape. I think that the intimacy of the images also creates like a closed-in feeling or being trapped, hard to escape. Also, like the idea of forever, that addiction is and dependency are long-term usually, and that trash is forever, that humans create this waste that forever stays in the system and we kind of forget about it. But it's always there. It's not going anywhere. It's something we have to face. It's right here. It's really close. It's intimate. We depend on the planet, and we're messing it up. It also kind of speaks on consumerism and retail therapy, I think, or just like how we consume. We don't really think about what happens after we use something or after we take something from the environment, or the cost that comes because of that. And like this lack of ideology around reusing or recycling products or creating biodegradable products. There are a lot of like lost or broken items also in his images. They seem like they don't belong, but I think they help move. They're a part of what helps move your eyes around the image in this cycle, this never-ending cycle, really. And they seem like they don't belong, but they articulate more of a feeling of being lost, unforgotten, or broken, and still being a part of it, still being in it, a part of that whole. I think there's just a lot with the voids that are created, or the void feeling that it creates with these products, and the colors and shapes that really take you in a never-ending cycle with no escape. I really enjoy his projects. His images are beautiful. I hope you enjoy them too. Let me know what you think of his and of my images. Thank you for watching. Bye.